It's Friday, January 16th, and welcome back to another weather forecast for the United States. So let's jump straight in. The first thing I do want to talk about is this freeze warning that we have down here in Florida, because this is actually pretty crazy. It's very cold down here in some places over here for you guys in Florida. So frost and freeze conditions could kill crops, other sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. So pretty much what you need to do is just help protect outdoor plumbing and help your vegetation, and use caution while traveling outside. Wear appropriate clothing and a hat and gloves, and take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. So it's gonna be pretty cold out here. But if you're over here in Miami or Fort Lauderdale, you guys aren't in the freeze warning. But there is a cold weather advisory near the area as well. But for the cold weather advisory, very cold wind chills expected as low as 25. So that's going to be pretty crazy. So, and then if you're up here in Atlanta, anywhere over here inside this purple, you guys are in a special weather statement for high fire danger conditions. So please refer to your local burning permitting authorities whether you may burn outdoors. If you burn outside, use extreme caution. So that's what's going on down there. And then the next thing I'm going to talk about is all of the snow that we're expecting. So I'm going to talk about the snow that we're expecting today. So as you can see up here, the blue is snow and the green is rain. So that's what's going on. So I got a little bit of snow down here in Ohio, got some snow up here, got some scattered snow up here, and some snow down here. Well, I think that's just rain. But this is all going to eventually move out of the area. So let's check out the future radar to see where these things are going to be actually going. This is what it looks like right now. This little line will move east through into the lake effect snow. There we could see some lake effect snow. And then we're going to have this snow develop later today on January 16th, which is today. We're going to have some rain develop. And that's going to eventually turn into snow a little bit as we get later into the day. As you can see, up here is going to be the main part of snow. Down here is just going to be the rain. But the snow is expected to get a little bit more south. As you can see, it's going to continue moving east. You see, we could actually get a pretty big dumping of snow over here. So, there's going to be some snow and possibly even some slick roads. And then we are going to be expecting some high winds if you're pretty much anywhere in here, and a chance to see fire weather conditions. So make sure to strap down unsecured objects. But if you're in this red flag warning, the main thing that you should be doing is to refer to your local burning permitting. And recommendation is to not burn if you're inside these red flag warnings. And we did just get a special estimate for Columbus for slick spots. So do want to note that we are expecting moderate to major impacts if you're inside of this risk areas. We do have a moderate risk out for some pretty big snowfall and windy snowfall, and then you get the moderate risk going around it, and then you got the slight risk, and then you got the marginal risk going around it. So there's going to be some snow over here if you're over here in parts of North Dakota, South Dakota. Mainly if you're in northwest South Dakota, that's going to be the major impact area. Don't be scared, be prepared, and if you're out here, make sure to stay indoors and have jackets on, because there's expected to also be some pretty windy temperatures out here. And there's also going to be a possibility to see some snow squalls move through some of these areas as well. Even down there, if you're over here into Indiana or Ohio, there's going to be a chance for snow squalls. And there still is a chance that we're going to be seeing very small snow amounts down here in parts of Georgia and Alabama. Do not worry about this. Yeah, you're probably excited about it, but I recommend don't count on it, because I don't think we're going to be getting too much snow out of this. Mainly just rain, but that's what we're expecting down there. But mainly within 1 to 3 inches of snow will be a possibility if you're lucky. Otherwise, it'd be less than an inch. But even up here into Virginia and West Virginia, there's going to be a chance for some snow. Anyways, guys, that's about it for today's weather forecast video, and I'll see you guys in the next weather update video.